What's good, everybody? It's your boy Q, aka the WavMan, and I'm here with the WavMonopoly to show you guys how to work your Studio One preset packs. Let's get right into it. As you guys can see on the screen, as we look here, guys, we are going to be using the example Baby Going Crazy stock preset pack for Studio One. All right. In this stock preset pack, guys, you will see a mastering chain as well as the chosen chain that you have bought on the website, guys. Whichever one you have chosen to buy, guys, it works all the same, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to install them right now. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and, like I said, in this example, we're using Baby Going Crazy. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Or for this example, we'll drop it down. And you're gonna see we have leads and ad-libs, okay? So let's go ahead and use the example song that we're rocking with right now. Let's go ahead and play this so you guys can hear how this is actually going to work, okay? Well, you can record with the presets, or you can either record without them, put them on. You can get stems, pop them on there. Either way works best for you. Let's get into it.
Made up my mind, she's roll this. Ice on my neck, cause a whole breathe. Nice skin shot it, but show this. She wanna work out, I tell her hoe this. You a broke boy, my bitch, you wanna.
All right, guys, that's raw vocals, okay, guys? That's raw vocals. So we're gonna go ahead and do, guys, is, as you can see, we're gonna get the pop-up, we're gonna get the window of the preset that we got, and we're gonna go ahead and choose a lead, okay? We're gonna go ahead and choose Baby Going Crazy, Clean, Crisp Cut. We're gonna just simply go ahead and drag this down, or like I said, guys, if you wanna start with the actual preset, you can get a blank session and just draw this down here, and it'll actually create that for you. So we're just gonna draw this in. We drag this in, and as you can see, guys, we got the full chain right here, all right? Now, what I do a lot before I even start recording, guys, just a tip, quick tip, is I kind of gain stage the actual beat, because lots of times, guys, we're working with these 2 tracks that come straight from YouTube or other sources, and these beats are fully mastered, okay? And a lot of times, guys, we want to get that headroom, so we want to turn that beat down a lot. And to simply get this right here, if you don't find this on your screen, you go to this wrench, all right? Input controls, okay? I turn the beat down about 12 dBs, negative 12 dBs, all right? Let's go ahead and hear how that preset sounds, okay? Let me go ahead and turn that off. You saw we simply just dragged it in, okay? Turn it off.
Made up my mind, she's roll this. Ice on my neck, cause a whole breathe.
All right, let's go ahead and engage that preset. Do it.
Roll this. Ice on my neck, cause a whole breathe. Nice skin shot it, but show this. She wanna work out, I tell her hoe this. You a broke boy, my bitch, you wanna look at you. You a afraid nigga, your boys both for whistle.
That easy, all right? Now, one thing I want to point out, guys, is the auto-tune is always going to be on chromatic. So what I want you guys to do always is go ahead and make sure you guys put in the actual key of the auto-tune that you're working with, because every beat, like I said, guys, has a different key to the beat. Every beat is made in a different key, so you're going to have to match the auto-tune to the key of the beat, okay, for everything to be cohesive and sound pitch perfect to the ear, all right, guys? So for this, I already know it's a minor. It's a minor scale, and that's what this is. All right, guys? So guys, make sure you set your auto-tune, and if you don't have auto-tune, guys, do not worry. Go back into the readme manual, guys, and we have a free pitch corrector called M-Auto Pitch, which works pretty good for a pitch corrector, guys, so make sure you guys go and look into that. All right? So we just got our main vocal.
Made up my mind, she's roll this. Ice on my neck, cause a whole breathe. Nice skin shot it, but show this. She wanna work out, I tell her hoe this.
Sounds perfect, all right? Leveling is half the key of mixing, guys. So once you get that preset on there, guys, start playing with the levels to really get that balance that we're looking for, and you'll be set. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for these ad-libs right here. Pull it up. Get the ad-libs. We'll use the telephone. Throw it in there. Let's hear it.
They ain't bulletproof. Beating on my chest like go, this ain't no game, this is smoke,
all right, and go ahead and do the same thing, guys. You put that thing in key of the auto-tune that we know that we found, all right?
Beating on my chest like go, this ain't no game, this is smoke, ain't no heat, this ain't no thriller.
How much more simple can it get, all right? The next thing we're gonna get into, guys, I just wanna show you guys before we get into this mastering chain, let's go ahead and show you guys how to actually save these, so these are actually in your system, okay? Really quick, say for instance you wanna save the first actual chain that we have right here, guys. You'll go to this drop-down menu right here, and go store FX chain, okay? Now, you can name it whatever you want, guys, but go ahead. In our case, we already have it saved in here. So what you would do is go ahead and click the subfolder. And I like to save mine in vocals if I'm dealing with the vocal chain. So I will go to vocals and I'll click OK. All right. For this right now, I'm going to click cancel because I've already done this. And I'll show you now, once you do that and you popped every single one in and you saved them, all you will have to do then, once you start opening your sessions, guys, you'll just simply come in, click this drop down menu and go to vocals. And all your presets will be here. All right, guys. For the presets that you got, guys, all your presets will be here. Simple as that. All right. Let's get into this mastering chain now. Now that we have this fully mixed track, guys, we level this out. We have all of our vocals. We put our presets on and we fine-tuned them if you wanted to. Fully customizable, guys. Go in there and fine-tune it as much as you guys would like. Once you have your fully mixed track, guys.
You a broke boy, my bitch, when I look at you. You afraid nigga, your boys broke for busting you. You ain't do shit where niggas came.
Simple. We're just gonna go ahead back to this. Back to the actual preset template that you bought and go to mastering. Okay, guys? What we're gonna do, guys, same thing that we did for the vocal chains, we're gonna do for the mastering track right here on the mastering side. Drag it, Billboard mastering chain, pop that thing right in there. Okay, now what we're gonna do here, guys, there's already preset EQs and just widens up the track a little bit, different compressors, but what we're gonna just mainly focus on is the actual limiter, okay, guys? This is gonna get your volume up to the mainstream radio volume levels that you're competing versus, essentially. So, let's go ahead, guys.
Mine just roll dish. Ice on my neck cause your whole breathe. Nice skin shot it but show this. She wanna work out and tell her hoe this.
So what I'm looking at right here, guys, is these levels right here, okay?
You a broke boy, my bitch, when I look at you.
Definitely go to the loudest part of your songs, guys. 9 times out of 10, it's going to be your chorus to look at these levels, okay? Right now, it's hitting about -6 dB in between -6, -9. Around this area, what we're going to want to do is actually move it closer to 1, all right? We already have our ceiling here, so it's not going to really clip, okay? So what we're going to do right now, guys, we're going to go ahead and raise the volume to what we want it to be at right now during this limiting stage right here, guys. And this is, everything else is preset, guys. Like I said, it's fully customizable. You can go in and touch things up. But the main thing we're going to think about right now is this limiter. So right now we're going to raise the input so that we can get the level that we're looking for, closer to this 0 point right here, okay? Probably around -1, -2, -3, depending on how much dynamics we want to keep, all right? So let's go ahead and smash it for real, though.
You afraid nigga, your boys broke for busting you. You ain't do shit where niggas came and tough from you. Little ain't told me these niggas ain't bulletproof. Play with me, he can know, really. Beating on my check like go, really. This ain't no game, this is smoke, really. Ain't no he, this ain't no thriller. Count on the bag. Shawty call me daddy, she can count on the dad. Niggas ain't bulletproof. Play with me, he can know, really. Beating on my check like go, really. This beating on little ain't told me these niggas ain't bulletproof. Play with me.
So as you can see right now, guys, we have this song actually hitting about -1, -3. I'm talking about the loudest peaks. They're hitting about -2, -3. Pretty much the area that we're looking for right now, guys. And simple as that, you have a fully mixed and mastered track. You already know what time it is, man. Go ahead and make them hits.